In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see website traffic on Godaddy. To get started, log into your Godaddy account and open your marketing page. This is the area where Godaddy brings together key performance information for your site, so it is the best place to begin if you want a quick view of how your website is doing. Once you are on the marketing page, navigate to the overview section. This is where you can find a broad snapshot of your website activity and business performance. The overview is helpful because it organizes the most important data in one place, which makes it easier to understand what is happening on your site without needing to search through multiple menus. On the main dashboard, look for the section labeled "Here is how you are performing." This area gives you a simple summary of your current website results. It is designed to help you quickly identify traffic trends and other important activity connected to your site. Take a moment to review the summary metrics shown there. Depending on your setup, you may see values such as site visitors, orders, or sales. Site visitors can help you understand how many people are reaching your website. Orders and sales can give you a better picture of how that traffic is translating into business results. Looking at these numbers together can help you get a more complete understanding of overall performance, rather than focusing on just one statistic by itself. If you want more detail, click on any specific metric that you want to explore further. When you select a metric, Godaddy will open deeper traffic charts and historical data trends. This gives you a more detailed view of how that number has changed over time. For example, you can use these charts to spot increases, drops, or patterns in visitor activity. That can be useful when you are reviewing the impact of marketing efforts, seasonal changes, or updates you have made to your website. As you go through the dashboard, focus on comparing the summary view with the detailed charts. That makes it easier to move from a quick overview into a deeper analysis when needed. It is a simple process, but it gives you a useful way to monitor your website performance directly inside Godaddy. That covers everything you need to know.